to all the home DIYers. Have you ever watched dozens of YouTube tutorials and still couldn't get it right? Or made a problem an even bigger problem? Stop guessing how to do the job and start using Chilll, a new way to get things done around your home. With Chilll, you'll connect with a live remote expert who can guide you through your project in real time. It's like teleporting them into your home, minus the high cost, difficult scheduling, and dirty shoes. They can see and hear what you do remotely, making you the hands of their knowledge and expertise. Need help validating an estimate, installing or fixing something, or maybe inspecting a completed project? Chilll has you covered. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Expert help and advice on demand while saving money by participating in the solution. And it's easy. Open the app, snap a picture of what you need help with, and quickly connect with a virtual expert. No tech skills required. Just open the app and you're good to go. With sophisticated video tools and technology, our experts guide you step by step, ensuring you'll get the job done right. Everything is tracked. Screenshots, notes, shopping lists, all saved for your review whenever you need them. And if for any reason you're not happy with the service, there's a money-back guarantee. Why struggle alone? Do the job better with Chilll. That's Chilll with 3 L's for extra. Visit Chilll.com today.